Okay, this is theta, this is alpha, this is a common normal, this is a common tangent. What all that it will approach with a speed u cos theta. It will rebound with a speed v cos alpha. How that impulse, what all that impulse is acting will be in this direction. Okay, this much is what, and so is it common normal along y-axis? No, look at this. Look at these velocities. We are not we don't know, no, the common normal itself. We don't know common normal. I'll write it. Why this one? And there's a common tangent. There's a wall. There's a better. Let me write wall. Yeah. Is it wall? Wall? Is it exit plane? Okay, you can't just assume on your own and okay do something here. It's a like a 3-dimension. Okay, I'll go back to the basic definition. So what will be that? It's a collision in a 3-dimension. So mu minus j equal to minus j bar is equal to mv bar. So what is it? J bar is equal to mv bar minus mu bar. Okay, how that wall is oriented, we don't know. What is the common normal, we don't know. But what is the quotient of restitution you define? Velocity of rebound, v cos alpha by u cos theta. Okay, good. This, so it's not like along y-x-axis, it's general. It's in a space we are, this altogether, this should be the definition. Then how we define impulse? Mu cos theta minus j equal to minus mv cos alpha. So this j is equal to m u cos theta v cos alpha. So what we needed v cos alpha. So I'll jump into the discussion like this. J bar dot v bar. What we can write it as? jv cos alpha. Similarly, j bar dot u bar should be equal to ju cos theta. We wanted v cos alpha. So I'll take help of this equation. So E equal to or let me write one more step here. Just mathematically managing this, nothing big. Okay, no more will be there. Yeah, this will be. Okay, do we know J bar? We don't know. We don't know that. Okay, let it. But we know V bar, U bar. From here, I'm going to calculate J bar, and already V bar and U bar are given. Let me take dot product and solve. I'll get the required quotient of restitution. Okay, do remember, very important. So here we should not try to use any other approach. Do remember this formula I suggest you. J bar equal to mv bar minus u bar, and there's another formula. I'll write it below. Oh, why it is. Yeah. I think in formula book, please do enter this one. Huh? I think it's missing. It's not there. Please do enter. It's a better form. Make it formula, no, not a concept. Formula. And please do remember. See, I'm telling this one, there is no, like if we don't have, see, even book also, they'll give some only 20% or 10% of information. Again, it all depends upon the numericals. In numericals only, what when all the different ideas are hidden. in numericals only, the different cases, ideas are hidden. So what we read now, in the book or the textbook, what we have the introductory part, no, it's just only 10 or 20%, the basic things, but that is enough. Some math-based applications, if you know it, you can manage here. Anybody value E?
1/2.
1/2.